Hey everybody, good afternoon. Thanks for clicking on and welcome to another beautiful day here in southeastern Wisconsin. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm sitting here in my dining room right now because I forgot to shoot an intro for my last video. So what you're going to see in a couple of minutes is me fishing with a couple of friends. My buddy was kind enough to invite me onto his boat and we caught a bunch of fish. But I want to talk to you about something kind of opposite of that. I have been out a couple of times and only caught one fish, so I'm thinking about doing something, I'll probably call it like Single Fish Sunday, where once a month on a Sunday I release a video of me just catching one fish and probably talking about the process and what I did to catch that fish. If that's something you'd like to see, leave a comment down below and I'll start doing that. In the meantime, this video coming up is, like I said, the opposite. We caught a bunch of fish. In fact, we caught so many fish, I didn't film all of them, and not all of the ones that I did film are actually going to make it in. So with that being said, thank you to my buddy Jim for inviting me out onto his boat and taking me out to what apparently is his favorite spot, and for good reason. I hope you guys enjoy. Well, as long as I'm waiting for him to pick me up at the dock, I might as well go ahead and start fishing over here. Well, that didn't take long to get a little guy on it. All right. Of course, I didn't think this through. I don't have pliers with me. And there's a lot of hooks on here. Jeez, dude. There we go. Just had to pry it out. These my keys. There you go. First fish of the day. Second cast. He struck it on the first cast. Hooked him on the second. Who needs a boat? Although it'll be fun when he picks me up. Well, good morning.
Hey.
Ahoy, hoy. Thank you. Let me give you a few bucks.
You can. No, you're good.
No? Are you sure?
Yeah.
You positive?
Yeah.
Well, if I can't give you any money, can I at least give you a couple of the official 262 fishing stickers?
The dude that bought it, it was a lady. There was a lady who owned it. Her son picked it up for her.
There's a fish.
He had a Ranger with a 250 on it. So he was Mr. You know. What?
Yeah, I got him.
He was all about horsepower. You know.
Yeah.
You want a net?
Yeah, that might not be a bad idea just because I got him trebled. Thank you, sir. You got pliers?
That's it.
About 1.5 pounds.
There he is. So bad.
You need the net or you good?
Oh, that's alright. He's got a big old hook in his face.
Like another one?
Yeah, it broke off too. He must have slammed something.
Let me see that. Oh yeah.
It's like built into him now.
Nice.
Give me a pliers, I'll take it off. Oh, I got it.
Got another?
Yeah, or to the side, just so that you can feel the line. Yeah, I think he's a lot bigger than he is. Oh, like I said, he just thinks he's big.
That's not bad though. Alright, I might have to switch to a spinnerbait.
You know, the last time I've used a spinnerbait here, probably 10 years. But I figured I could buzz it along the top of the top water.
Oh, you got a pike? Little guy? Oh!
That one actually was bigger.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Alright.
what?
Little lightning never hurt anybody. What's it?
I didn't think we were supposed to get any lightning.
Is that bad?
Struck by lightning.
I mean, if you're not into that sort of thing.
Got him?
You go?
Yeah. Oh, that water is so warm.
Don't worry, Marco, I'm recording. I'll get your next one.
That's alright, there won't be a next one.
Not with that attitude, there won't be.
Damn you!
That's alright, I chugged most of it right away. Initially, I had to be home by noon, and then I decided, probably just leaving by noon will be fine. Oh, I should have brought a flipping stick. There's a fish. That's not bad. Alright, I got it. Oh, I already spat it.
I'm gonna step on it. Damn him, go.
Oh, that's even better. A little better, huh? That's 16.5.
Yeah. You got a scale? Would that be 1 pound 15 ounces or 1.15 pounds?
It's going to be 1 pound 15 ounces.
Okay, yeah, because when he's wiggling, he's going up to 2.
Just unclip them. You don't want to do that.
What's that?
Just unclip them. You do that, you'll end up losing my scale.
I was holding on your scale, don't worry.
Well, it wouldn't be the first one, is what I'm saying. The same idea. Someone's like, oh, we're doing something like this. If the lightning gets close, if the static gets close, the line will pick up off the water.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's a telltale sign you're about to get it.
Oh, thanks for telling me. I don't want to know. Just let it happen.
I always thought that meant you've got a fish.
There's nothing that pisses me off more than a caribou back line.
Oh, I've become an expert at getting them out. Lots of practice.
I don't know what the hell you're
Here, my next cast I'll do it on purpose, just a real little one.
Pay me to do it on purpose.
No, it's a learning experience. I'll do it on purpose. It's not a big deal. Like I said, I've got enough practice getting them out. So, using a bait caster, you got to feather the line, because otherwise, when the lure hits the water, the line keeps going, the reel keeps spinning, but it's got nothing pulling it out.
Sure.
So, let's see if I can just do a really little one.
I got one.
There.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah. So see how it gets all tangled like that? So you gotta just pull.
Right.
You know.
So what do you do to prevent that? Did it happen to you?
It just happened to him.
You can eat their eggs though, right? Do they? What the hell do they taste like?
I would assume like a chicken, only duckier. You know, kind of that greasier, gamier taste, I would guess.
Oh, it's only duckier. I don't even know if I would go to.
Oh, this one feels pretty good. This one feels pretty good. Actually, I can probably just flip them. I'll flip them.
Because those guys have had it rough for a little bit.
This one feels alright. He fought pretty good.
I don't think that's legal. I don't think that's 14.
Yeah.
I bet he's 13. Throw him on the bump.
Nah.
Yeah, he's smaller.
That's not a big deal. He was fighting a little better than the other one though.
Yeah, there should be. This is just a big weed flat. There's bluegill all the way along here, so there should be fish, bass, just nothing. Just dig on the edge.
Oh no.
But I'm not gonna have you.
Have you ever seen me? Oh, nice little guy. Oh, I'm about to go in the trolling motor.
7.5.
Yeah.
Nice, pretty one. Colors wise, it's probably close to it, people.
Oh. I might need to start going for the gills. Just have some fun picking them off.
Oh, that thing pounded.
Oh no!
Easy. Is he on?
If he is, he's on really light, but yeah, he's still on.
Hang on.
Oh!
I saw that.
Oh no!
You pop off?
Yeah. That was awesome though.
So the other day I was pulling a bluegill back in the northern smoked it. I think that's a topwater bite if I've ever seen one.
Yep. That was pretty cool. Too bad I couldn't have brought it in. I panicked a little because it's an ultralight.
Trying to get the bobber, to be honest.
Kind of looked like it.
The first one, it's over. It's party time.
Down?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's party time, and now what are you going to do to yourself? You're going to
No, he's on.
have another.
He's just really little.
No, he's off. Yeah.
Oh, that's just a
Oh my
weed?
god, no, you're right.
It's a nice little perch.
What the f is it?
Baby.
I should throw that back in. Maybe I'll actually,
Use it as
maybe I'll
bait.
actually catch a fish.
Use it as bait.
That little fucking guy, he's so cute. Ow! What the f was that? Here's a little fucker. Get in there. They took it again. Dude, the bobber didn't even move that time. They're ninja fish.
Well, if I'm going to not catch fish, I'm going to not catch fish throwing moving baits.
Well, we'll go over here to this corner here. We'll pop a few over here.
You jinxed it, man.
I told you we're going to move, so
It's actually the same fish. He's had it on his line the whole time, waiting for this moment just to try and prove us wrong.
That's an adult.
There you go, Marco.
I'm over here. Where are you?
We're good. I'm past you.
Kingdom, eh?
Northern.
He's out there. He's watching us pull these bluegills.
Right. Here, give me the pliers. I'll just quick release them here. Screw it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Be honest with you.
hold on. Oh, you pulled me.
Alright. I just tore his lip up. 21. Not bad. Oh, look at that. He's been bit too.
Yep.
That looks recent too.
Yeah.
Goes on.
Lucky you, I had the camera going, sort of. Nice fish.
It's not from the lake.
Man, I had to pee enough as it is, and now you're pulling that. There we go.
Ooh, that one's good.
Yeah.
Got a lot of water in here. Jeez. There you go.
Ooh.
Oh, that was this one feels pretty good.
He'll be a better one. No doubt about that. He was going to get that hook.
Yep.
Oh, that's a pretty one. If I downsize my hook, I'd catch 15 more. I just don't want to
Yeah, that's pretty good too.
pulling it out of them. We're out here, and here come the DNR. I'm, you know, like, what's up, guys? And talking to them, and they're like, licenses, and I'm like, okay, yeah, no problem. I'm waiting for my buddy to whip his out.
Let me guess, he's on his phone trying to buy his real quick.
Well, that's what I told him. And I even told those guys, I was like, just let him buy it right now, you know? And the ticket was expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They ticketed him?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, DNR doesn't mess around.
Yeah, they don't fool around. There's no getting around it. Double.
Double.
I made sure I let that thing gut it just so we get a double. I got a good one.
Mine's alright. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. We need a double picture.
Hold on. Hang on. One more with them out here. Make them look good.
Yeah. Make them kiss. Perfect.
Make them kiss?
It's 76.
There's no way that's 76.
That's right there, man.
That's off, dude.
It's not off.
That is off.
It's a fantastic piece of technology.
No,
it's
that
not
is off. The thermometer I got at my house is off.
That's water temperature, that's not air temperature.
Yeah.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
You can't tell the difference.
Dude, I check the temperature of my pool all the time.
And your finger's a goddamn thermometer?
I swear to God, this is significantly warmer than my pool, and my pool is usually like at 68.
You're smoking crack. Thing cost me a lot of money. It's not wrong.
The thing costs you a lot of money.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Marco, you want to throw that spinner bait or the jig?
The spinner one was better.
I'm actually half tempted to go back to that right away on the fall. Right as I was talking about changing lures too. Another northern.
Chatterbait?
Yep.
Yeah, it's a pretty pikey spot.
Oh, this guy's all tore up too. I almost.
Don't bring that slime stick in here.
All right, well.
Shit, bring him over. Okay. Oh, his gills are shot. That's what happened. Just give me a brief piece of slack.
Look at that. Look at that cut on him.
Look at, that's his gill.
Yeah. No, I know. And then.
Oh yeah, he got dinged.
Sweet.
Oh, it feels good on my hand.
I know. I'm all pruny. All right, I got like 15 minutes. Let's get me a frogfish.
There we go.
Got one?
Oh, yeah.
Another pike.
Slime stick.
Quick release. Nice work. I got 3 minutes to get this top water. 3 minutes. You laugh, but I've done it before. 1 minute. I mean, I guess I could give it an extra 10 or so. Yeah, they all seem to.
You ain't getting no frogfish, bro.
Not with that attitude, I'm not.
Not with that.
I got 4 more minutes.
It's 12:06.
Jim's going back to back. Another northern?
Yeah.
Alright, we've seen enough northern. I'm not going to bother recording you. Alright, 1 minute. Alright. I got 5 more minutes to fish the metric. You bringing me home?
You're looking at 12:13 now. You ready?
Yeah, I should get going. 5 more minutes. No. No, I better be done. I said noon. It's 12:13. Well, look at it this way. I don't have to worry about getting my boat off the water or anything, so we're kind of saving time.
Yeah.
You know? Plus, you know, noon would have been like running from the other end, and yeah. We'll go with We'll go with that.
You're ahead of schedule.
Yeah. Alright guys, well it was fun.
Yeah, man, I'm glad you could come out.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Well,
I'll give you a
got
kick.
everything?
Yep, I think so.
alright, see you later.
Alright, see ya. Thanks guys.
I'll talk to you soon.
Yep.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for me today. I pulled off to the side of the road to do my outro real quick, but I'm actually already on my way home. So pretty good day today, handful of a bunch of different types of fish, and once we got over the fact that it was raining, which really didn't bother us too much, it was a lot of fun. So a special thank you to my buddy Jim for inviting me out to his boat and taking me out. If you like this video, make sure you push the big red button down below so you can subscribe. Push the bell next to it to get notifications when I put my videos out. If you didn't like what you saw, drop a comment down below so I know what I can do better for you as I'm getting hooked up in my rods there. As always, thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you later. See you guys.